Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing well and getting ready for Christmas. In today's recipe, I am going to show you how to make a very tasty assorted pepper sauce, assorted hot sauce that you can enjoy with any food, from fried yam to rice to anything. It is very delicious. So if you are interested, please let's get started. For this recipe, I have got a yellow bell pepper, a green one, a red one. I have got scallions, onions, shallots, scotch bonnet peppers, and underneath I've got some fresh ginger and a lot of garlic cloves. This pepper sauce is going to last you for a very long time. So let's get right into it. I have washed all my vegetables already, and now I am going to cut them and remove the seeds. You know what? I learned this method from TikTok, and it is very easy to remove the seeds that way. So just put it upside down, cut it into four, and then cut it across and remove the seeds, and it makes your life much more easier. So sometimes don't underestimate social media. It's very helpful. I did the same thing with the yellow one. And by the way, if you are struggling to find the yellow bell pepper, please go ahead and use the orange one. It is a bit sweeter than the yellow one, but it will also do. All right. And I'm still doing the same with the red one. And you can also use the pointed bell pepper, because as I said, sometimes you might not find this one, it might be out of stock or something. So use the pointed one if you prefer, and the same thing for all the other colors. And if you want to use another type of pepper, because there are so many types of sweet peppers, go ahead and use it as well. But these are the ones I'm using for this simple and very delicious recipe. Now I am going to cut the onions, also peeled and washed, and this is a medium size. And then I am going to cut the scallions or salad onions, and I have got about 14 to 15 stalks. So that's cuts. And I'm going to chop my fresh ginger. So let's say it's one big piece and a half. And I also have half a shallot. Actually, the shallot is not really important here, but it was sitting in my fridge, and I said, why not just add it than waste it? So this is all ready. The next step is also very easy. Just put everything in your blender. If your blender is not big enough, don't hesitate to do it in 2 times. All right, just to make sure everything is well blended. So I have finally reached the top of the blender, so I'm going to put the lid back on and blend it until very smooth. You can also leave chunks in if that's how you prefer. Have you noticed that I did not add any water to it? It's simply because bell peppers already contain a lot of water in them. So for this recipe, it wasn't needed. This is it, nicely blended. For the next step, I am going to heat up some oil, and I am using vegetable oil, but you can use coconut or olive or any oil you like, rapeseed even if you like that. Let it heat up, And when the oil is hot, fry in the pepper. This is it. Very, very easy. Make sure you don't burn yourself. So I used about 2 cups of oil, but feel free to reduce it if you think that's too much for you. But I always use a lot to preserve it, because it's pepper. And yeah, but do the way you like. Don't forget to stir it and to cook it on a medium heat for about 10 minutes to begin with. And after 10 minutes, I am going to add in my seasoning. So very simple seasoning. So this is a tablespoon of smoked crayfish powder. You can use prawns or even not use it at all. And I'm going to add 1 seasoning tablet. And again, you can skip it if you don't like it. You can also add some salt to it. Next, stir it and let it fry for a further 10 to 15 minutes. So let's say in total, I cooked it for about 25 minutes because I like it when it's very, very well cooked and when there is no water left. And this is it. Look at this perfect assorted peppers, shito, or pepper sauce, chili sauce. It is very, very delicious. It is a must try. So my dear friends, now that my pepper sauce is ready, I am just going to dish some out in my little ramekins so you can see how well it looks like. And this is it. This surely is the perfect pepper sauce, and as Christmas is just around the corner, you could try this sauce and enjoy it with any type of food you like I said in the beginning. And this goes very, very well with fried yam. No lie, fried yam, it is just a bomb with it. Or if you want to be on the meaty side, try it with fried chicken. Oh, I'm telling you guys, just dip the chicken in this pepper sauce. Hey, eh, it is just heaven. It's heavenly good. And no lie, I'm not saying that because I want you to watch the video. I'm saying that because I want you to try this recipe and enjoy it like with it, because it was just amazing. It is just simple to prepare and tasty. So what are you waiting for? So this is also a great idea for Christmas if you want to prepare a different type of pepper sauce. Well, why not try this one? And I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. And have you seen my chicken on the side here? Yes, I am going to enjoy it with this, just like that, just the pepper sauce and the chicken. Don't forget to keep it in an airtight container in your fridge. It can last anywhere from 2 weeks to 3 weeks if it's well kept. This is how I keep mine. So this is it. Thank you all for watching this recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye and take care everyone.